Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark an unwanted area on your picture and replace it with another on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select a picture. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen and click on the patch button. Here you should select an area that you want to remove and click on brush over that part. And you should select another part of the screen that you want to apply there. So position this circle or this shape to that part of the picture that you want to show on that place that you have vanished, and click on the apply button in the middle of the screen to save your changes. So that's how it looks like. If you zoom out, you can see how it looks like. So if you want to change your changes, click on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.